Well, here we are getting our main line stretched out through the sugar bush. It was quite the ordeal to get it through the trees and get all the kinks out of it, get straightened out, and then attach it to the wire. We previously strung the wire through where we wanted the main line to go. This was 500-foot roll of main line, 1-inch main line from CDL. We had to clear some trees and some underbrush to make way for it. You can see here how kinked up it was. We had to stretch that all out straight, all 500 feet of it. Stretching it out through the woods. And then it was time to start doing the sap lines from tree to tree. We so far have 3 lengths stretched out to approximately 20 to 30 trees on each line. We plan on doing 10 or 11 of these with 25 to 30 taps on them. And then back in the house, I did up a whole bunch of the spigots with about 30 inches of line on it. We then have to go through and attach each of these with a T to the tree where the tap will go. The white piece here is the actual tap that will go into the tree in the spring to collect the sap from. I did up 200 of these so far. So we're ready to, once we have the line strung up, get them up and ready for spring. That's about it. Please hit subscribe.